Hello, if you own a business, you will agree with me that online is the new normal for businesses. My name is Kosiso Anekwe, and I'm the managing partner, Edubridge Consultants, a one-stop digital marketing company. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, we have all moved our lives online, and businesses have moved their processes online like never before. Everyone has come to terms with the potential of online businesses, but we still have a few who are unable to succeed with online. A lot of small businesses are having challenges when it comes to moving their businesses online, and this is why we have introduced the Small Business Starter Kit to help small businesses who are looking to grow their businesses online. We will not only help you build your online presence, we will help you find customers online by showcasing your products to over 400,000 potential customers or sending traffic of over 5,000 potential customers to your website. And that's not all. If you don't want just traffic, we will help you make your customers call your line or fill out your lead generation forms. Sign up with us today. We are happy to work with you to grow your business online.